What do you think, Ellie? Put it in your mouth, baby girl. Try it. Puffs. Yummy puffs. Put it in your mouth. You can hold it really well. Ooh, look at that pincher grasp. Look at those skills. Here you go. And try to eat it. Ooh, it tastes like bananas. Bananas. You like bananas. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's yummy. It's yummy. It's okay. You're gonna survive it. What do you think? Did you swallow it? Hey, did you swallow it? I don't feel it in there. Did you eat it? You gonna eat the camera cord now? Yeah, that's not edible. But this is. You wanna try this? Oh, yeah. It's okay. It's yummy. It's a good thing. It's finger food. Oh, yeah, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Are they both in there? They're melting, huh? Oh my goodness, new things. What do you think about new things? You're silly.